Hello everyone, this is Teacher K and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to understand that vectors have both magnitude and direction. Also demonstrate an understanding of the difference between scalar and vectors and give some common examples. What really is the difference between scalar and vector quantities? Well, scalar is any quantity that has magnitude or value, whereas vector quantity is any quantity that has both magnitude and direction. A very common example is distance versus displacement. Distance simply tells us how far an object moves. For example, the person here walked a total distance of 7 meters from point A to point B. Whereas displacement tells us the total distance an object moved in a straight line from point A to point B. In this case, the person's displacement is just 2 meters to the east because it also involves direction. Another example is this car that is about to move to the left. From start to finish, the separation distance is 10 meters. So say for example, this car is going to the finish point coming from the starting point. So the total distance traveled by this car is 10 meters and the displacement is also 10 meters to the left. But what if we change the situation? This time, the car is moving from the starting point to the finish point and then back to the starting point. What is the total distance? In this case, the total distance here is 10 meters going to the finish line and then another 10 meters going back to the starting line. So the total distance traveled by the car is 20 meters. However, the displacement is actually just 0. There's no displacement at all. Why? Because the car moved to the finish line and then back to the starting point at its very own starting position. You see, distance and displacement are different. One is a scalar and the other one is a vector. Here are some examples of scalar quantities. We have mass, density, energy, length, power, and temperature. For vector quantities, we have force, momentum, weight, and even acceleration. Well, if you're looking for speed and velocity, well, speed is a scalar and velocity is a vector. For a detailed discussion about speed and velocity, don't forget to hit the notification bell down below and watch out for my next video. Once again, this is Teacher K. Have a great day. Bye!